Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray convertible 3LT Z51 in Arctic white on navy blue interior. So this is the twilight blue package. So the roof and the seats are blue. So we'll just have a look here over the trunk area while I've got that open. So here's the trunk area. So nice size trunk. GM has designed this to fit 2 sets of golf clubs. Probably not the touring bags, but definitely your carry bag should fit just nicely. So down below we do have the cargo netting here. This is a partition here in the front. There's the top, and like I said, it is navy blue, so very nice color, very unique. And not common, so very awesome. Down in the corner here we do have storage. There's the fuel filler tube down there, so that's great. Here's an emergency release for the driver's door, so if you ever lose power or anything like that, you can simply pull on this and it will open the driver's door. So very cool. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this. This does have soft close, so I simply press, it pulls itself shut. We've got the nice Z51 spoiler, which is color matched to the vehicle, so it goes nicely. We've got the sharp gray surrounds around the LED tail lights. Very nice touch. We've got the chrome badge package, and the lower half of the bumper is carbon flash metallic. We've got the NPP quad tip exhaust. So the 2 outer ports do have dampers that open and close electronically to make the exhaust louder or quieter based on your setting. And we'll just shift around this side here. So here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice polished aluminum wheels. We've got black painted calipers and nice Michelin tires on there. The Z51 also gives the heavy duty brakes that have the cross drilled or slotted rotors as well. So onto the passenger side. So again, here's the nice navy blue accented with the black leather. We've got the 10-speaker Bose stereo. We've got our electronic door release, our power windows, and our power locks. And I'll just go ahead and show you the kick plate on the passenger side. So it is the upgraded Stingray panel. It's in fantastic shape, as you can see. And for our seat, we've got the power 4 aft up down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And we even have the chrome Corvette logo there on the top. As you can see, we've got the upgraded Stingray mats as well. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. Let's have a look in the glove box. So in the glove box, we do have the books. Those are there. Again, we've got nice baseball stitching along the lower. It's done in the navy blue to match. We've got the heated and cooled seat control for the passenger side, temperature display and temperature control. Have a look at the dash while I'm here on this side. It's in fabulous condition, as you can see. And on the A-pillars with the 3LT, we do have the Alcantara or suede A-pillar that goes up and over onto the visors and around the center as well. So we'll just hop out and we'll close this side up, and I'll just step to the back of the vehicle and I'll move along this side of the car so you can see the condition. Looks good. And here we are at the front. So again, we've got the sharp gray inserts here and the nice chrome Stingray badge. And here's your front wheel. So again, nice polished aluminum wheels, Michelin tires, black painted calipers, and heavy duty brakes. So we'll have a look under the hood here. So we've got the V8 6.2 liter motor, which is 460 horsepower, and that's paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, it's nice and tidy under here. In the corner here, we do have our dry sump oil system. So that's your where you'd place oil. This is where you'd check oil, unlike a traditional that would be on the motor. So very neat. With the Z51, you also get the upgraded transmission cooler and rear differential cooler. And then this one also has the nice hood liner mat with the logo here in silver. Looks good. So we'll go ahead, we'll close the hood and we'll have a look from the front. So here we are at the front. So it's got the nice black housing, projector, HID lenses, LED daytime running lights, LED turn signals, chrome badge package, and the nice sharp gray insert here on the hood, which is a really nice touch. Very unique. With the 3LT on the 2016, we also have front curb view cameras. So there's one there and there's one here on this side. So as you're pulling close to a curb, you can see the curb instead of hitting the curb. So it's a very nice feature. In terms of issues, I'll just have a close look here, see if there's anything to point out to you. No, I don't see anything here to point out. So it looks very clean, very good condition. Not to say there isn't something somewhere, but nothing that catches my eye. So that's great. So we'll move around. Here's your other front wheels. So again, nice polished aluminum wheels, black painted calipers, heavy duty brakes, Michelin tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So we'll move on to the driver's side door. So again, the nice blue and black leather accents nicely. 10 speaker Bose stereo is in this guy. And then we've got our power locks, our power windows, 2 user memory for seats, steering wheel, and mirrors. And there's also a programmable exit button, so you can have it move your seat back once you turn off the car to make it easier to get out, which is great. We've got our electronic door release there as well. And I'll just show you the kick plate here on the driver's side. So again, it's got the nice upgraded Stingray kick plates. They look fabulous. And down here is our power seat, power 4 aft, up, down, power recline, lumbar and side bolster adjustments. And I'll just go ahead and scan along that seat so you can see the condition. Looks good. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame here. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So in terms of kilometers, we have 15,807. So nice and low, no warning lights or issues there on the dash. I'll just step back here. So for cruise control, we've got controls here. Favorites or track changes here for your stereo. On this side is your volume controls. And then we've got our arrow keys, which work the dash. So when I hit that, you get info, performance, audio, phone, nav, and settings. And those are controlled here. Above that, we have telephone controls. So hang up, answer, and voice command. And then above we've got paddle shifters, so plus and minus on this side. You've got headlight controls up here, and if we look on the windscreen, there's your heads-up display, so I can cycle through and I can move that information as well. So that's great, that's there. And those are the controls here. Here's your power mirrors, here's your power top, and here's our power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And then below is our trunk release and our motion security alarm on and off. And on this side, here's your push button start. Here's your behind screen storage with USB. So audio, we've got AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth streaming, USB in, telephone controls. Projection is Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So you can project your phone on the screen here if you have a supported phone. We've got full factory navigation built in. You got PDR. So here's your performance data recorder, record your track times, things like that. And if I shift over, here's your cameras. So there's your reverse camera. If I put it in drive, there's your front cameras. Hit home. And here's your heating and cooling controls. So this is your temperature for the driver's side. And there's your controls for the passenger side. Heated and cooled seats. So here's my cooled seat, and secondary controls for the passenger are here. It's got the upgraded Stingray nameplate down here, and then we've got our 12-volt socket. We've got cup holders, and we've got the nice baseball stitching in the navy blue against the black. Looks great. 8-speed automatic. And here's your mode selector. So when we twist the mode selector, right now it's in sport mode. You can change it to track, weather, eco, touring, or back to sport. So that's done right there. And then you've got electronic parking brake. And then inside the center console, we've got 2 USB ports, auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt socket. There's your frameless rear view mirror, auto dimming, and your auto dimming driver's side mirror. And since it's a convertible, we'll go ahead and we'll put the top up so you can see the operation. Perfect, there it is. So now we'll just hop out with the running, we'll have a look and a listen. Good growl to it, sounds really nice. Love the deep growl of the C7. And here's the top. So I'll get the right angle so you can see it is navy blue. Although my camera wants to try to make it darker in some instances, but it's a really nice color, I love it. So it's in great shape as you can see, and I'll just step back here and let you have a look at the front with the headlights on. Sharp looking car, love it. And it's got nice deep dark tinted windows. So I'll just move along this side so you can see the condition. There it is from the back. Sounds good. And there you have it, folks. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 convertible, Arctic white with the twilight blue package, here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.